Do you know why most couples do not own a joint account? There are marriages where the men are hardworking while the women happens to be lazy or deliberately refuse to work. Also, I have seen marriages where the women are the breadwinners and the men are jobless and even refusing to work. My name is Randy from the Global Christian Foundation, which is the center for all solutions. Today I want to show you 5 proven ways you can make money as a couple. So if you want to learn these 5 ways you can make money as a couple, then watch this video to the end and please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified each time we drop a new video. Number 1. Start a business. Nobody has ever become a millionaire from working a 9-to-5 job as an employee. Starting a business could be a stepping stone for a couple to think of. Whatever your age, have in that it's never too late to start your own business. At age 65, Colonel Harlan Sanders founded the Kentucky Fried Chicken using his $105 monthly Social Security check. Today, Kentucky Fried Chicken operates more than 5,200 restaurants in the United States and more than 15,000 units around the world. Jeff Bezos was 30 years old when he started Amazon, and he's the richest man on earth today. So start planning. Your business could be anything, from providing services to making products. And as long as you give the business the proper time and effort, you can surely make an income out of it. The beauty of starting a business is that it can grow so much you won't need your main job anymore. Doing what you love will also make you less bored, and hopefully you'll be able to retire with a fortune. Number 2, learn a skill that allows you to work from home. These days, there's a huge market for skill-based work. Both individuals and companies outsource things like social media management, data mining, content writing, copywriting, graphic designing, video editing, etc. Learning these skills doesn't take a lot of your time, and you can have a handy source of income by working from home. You can learn from YouTube or pay a professional to teach you at your convenient time. Number 3, become an investor. Some of the rules of investing is to learn at least the basics or fundamentals of the investment you want to engage in. Another rule is that you don't invest all your money in a single investment vehicle. Some easy investment a couple can learn and begin investing is in the stock market, the cryptocurrency market. We strongly advise people to learn from professionals before getting into the crypto and stocks market. Crypto has finally become a legitimate way of earning, as long as you know what you're doing. It can take some time, since the learning curve is a bit steep on this one, but the payoff is good. Thousands of people are able to make hundreds of dollars a day, simply by having knowledge about the cryptocurrency market. Making an account is easy, with several brokerage websites requiring only a few dollars to get started. Number 4, start blogging or affiliate marketing. We live in a world where we cannot get enough information. Maybe you and your partner have traveled together, had a baby together, maybe you invest together or even work together. If you have a unique take on what is out there, you can attract traffic and ultimately monetize this traffic. For example, my friend gave birth to the loveliest boy, born with Down syndrome. They run a blog that advises other couples in the same situation. Before you start blogging, though, consider your unique angle, as this is the difference between just another blog and a blog that can generate traffic. Affiliate marketing is a great way to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. In fact, affiliate marketing spend in the United States increased from $5.4 billion in 2017 to $8.2 billion in 2022, which means there's plenty of room for those looking to get a piece of the pie. Number 5, start a YouTube channel. Do you have a talent and wants to monetize your talent? Creating a YouTube channel to showcase your talent could be a life-changing step. This is similar to the blog, except it is perfect for couples who are confident being seen and heard. If you think you have great chemistry and have something worth saying, then a podcast or YouTube could be a great option. To be clear, this isn't a, if you build it, they will come, type of situation. You will still need to put in the work recording videos or podcasts and marketing. But, if you can put in regular, consistent hours, this is an incredible way to have fun with your loved one while making money. YouTube is an investment with possibility to last forever provided you respect the terms. If you have any question, please drop it at the comments section, and if you want us to drop more video on how to make money as a couple, then subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified each time we drop a new video.